Well, let's start with the Quas Micromagnetic teaching video. My name is Christian Radek. I'm working for Quas Micromagnetics, and I'm responsible for the technical scientific development of the Quas Micromagnetic program. So in order to start, I have started the computer, and what you see is the initial screen. Most importantly here is this area here in the top right corner, where we find the IP address. So if you have your optimizer attached to a network, you can find here the IP address, and you can, for instance, access it via a different program, for instance, to configure it from the comfort of your own office. The next thing which is important is this button over here, which is labeled Analyzer 4D. And when we push this button, the Analyzer 4D software is going to start. Okay, this is the initial screen. We have an old project loaded, which is shown on top of the window here, and it's called something with demo, so it was something I did earlier for demonstration purposes. So in order to make a new project, we go into the top menu here, into the file menu, and we first of all save the current project. This is always a good idea, simply to save, to make sure everything is saved. And now we push this item here, create new project. So you get this dialog now with project information. And the only thing you're really required to do in here to give your project a unique name. For instance, I would name this now teaching video. Okay, what you see here is now there are some predefined directories. You do not or should not change anything in here. You can add some comments at the bottom here, but I never really found it important to do this. Usually if you give it a unique and explanatory name, it will be sufficient. So you simply press OK, and now you have a new project. What we will do next is to make the basic settings, and after that we will configure our buffers, we will configure the operator network, and so on.